Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic fertilizer. We'll cover simple, effective methods to enrich your garden soil. Organic fertilizers are fantastic for boosting plant vitality and fostering a thriving ecosystem in your backyard. They slowly release vital nutrients, ensuring your plants receive a steady supply of what they need. Plus, you'll be contributing to a healthier planet by reducing reliance on synthetic chemicals. Composting is a cornerstone of organic fertilizer production. Begin by layering greens like food scraps and grass clippings with browns such as dry leaves and wood chips. Aim for a good balance, roughly 2 parts brown to 1 part green. Keep the pile moist, like a wrung-out sponge, and turn it every few weeks. In about 2 to 3 months, you'll have nutrient-rich compost, perfect for amending your garden beds. For a quick nutrient boost, consider making liquid organic fertilizers. Compost tea is simple. Steep 1 part finished compost in 5 parts non-chlorinated water for 24 to 72 hours. Strain the liquid, then dilute it further, typically 1 part tea to 10 parts water, before applying. This provides an immediate nutrient shot to your plants. You can also create a similar tea using aged animal manure, ensuring it's well diluted to prevent burning. Applying your homemade organic fertilizer correctly ensures maximum benefit. For solid compost, spread a layer of about 1 to 2 inches around the base of your plants or mix it into the top 6 inches of soil. Liquid fertilizers, like compost tea, can be applied directly to the soil around the root zone every 2 to 4 weeks. Always observe your plants. They will tell you if they are happy or need adjustments. Store any excess compost in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.